Chinese large models have gone viral worldwide. Even the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, has begun to sound the alarm. Only because we have once again created the miracle, defeating the miracle of planes and cannons. And this time the battlefield is one of the focuses of the world, the Aggie field. Remember at the beginning, that sounded the horn of age was the Surari model from the other side of the ocean. Unexpectedly, in just 1 year. The first to fire the Aggie model revolution this year was a Chinese large model. Last January, a language called DeepCake was quietly emerged. At that time, OpenAI's ChatGPT and many top domestic large models. Under the aura, 6 didn't seem remarkable, but it updated 5 versions in 1 year. By January 20th this year, the latest version of DeepCake R1. It can already compete with the world's top model, ChatGPT, to compare with, such as in math code, natural language reasoning tasks. It is not inferior to OE. In the professional model ranking arena, DeepCake benchmarked on, it ranks 3rd in all categories. Among the style control model classification, tied for first place with OpenAI, it scored 1,010 points, even slightly exceeding 1,352 points after the release of R1. Sam Altman immediately announced the upcoming new models O3 and O3 Mini and began to call on. He hoped that China and the US could cooperate in it. It is considered by the OpenAI has a sense of being overtaken. 6. Its progress is really amazing, but it is not yet completely beyond OpenAI. Why does it make the other party so afraid? Deep 6 costs less than $6 million to train, while the cost of Cheetah GPTO is over 100 million. The cost of R&E is only 1/30 of that of O&E. To put it exaggerately, it's like a small army with rifles against a large army with guns. The two are very different in hardware, but unexpectedly, the final result was similar. OpenAI is not in a hurry, so as soon as RE was released, became famous in Silicon Valley. Major tech giants all cite that this is a big step for a GI to the application of Aggie due to lower cost, and the fee for deepfake also set a new low. It's called the Pinduoduo of AI. For example, Rise input token is priced at 5 per million tokens, and the output is priced at 2.19 per million. But the corresponding price of China G reached $15 and $60 respectively. This has also led to a price war for domestic models. ByteDance, Tencent, Baidu, and Alibaba have all reduced their prices. Not only that, DeepCake also generously open sourced. OpenAI has always kept its architecture as its secret weapon, and keep it secret. Musk also parted ways with Sam Altman. And Sam Altman apart, the open source of RE shows its big pattern. The development of large models requires a lot of computing power. It's superior. Many startups or innovators suffer from lack of funds, but with the open source of large models, it is like standing on the shoulders of giants. It can enable more innovators and develop to join the research and creation of Aggie applications. And such a domestic epic model is not from any of the big tech companies, but from a domestic top quantitative hedge fund, Magic Square. Many people joked, perhaps Liang Wenfeng, the founder of Magic Square, started to study just to better trade stocks, but unexpectedly became the industry leader. Wenfeng's to lay out AI in that time, the US had an imposed chip export ban on us. Only in this way, Wenfeng to purchase 10,000 NVIDIA A100 chips to build his own Firefly supercomputer. But now the A100 is no longer NVIDIA's most advanced chip. It can only use the abridged special chip, but it still achieves innovative breakthroughs in architecture, using less computing power to make better models. It is also open source. This is not only a brilliant battle for China's large models, but also make the US reflect on it, whether his ban is really meaningful. I'm Kiki. Follow me and watch the world with you. Douyin.